Are you ready to transform your 3D printing experience? Meet the Atomform Palette 300, a next-generation multi-material 3D printer. It's designed for creators who demand reliability and automation. The Palette 300 features an automatic multi-nozzle system. Each nozzle is optimized for different materials and temperatures. This means no more manual changes during printing. Enjoy benefits like automatic nozzle switching and reduced material waste. Transitions between colors and materials are cleaner than ever before. It supports various materials including PLA, PETG, and TPU. Speed is another key factor. The Palette 300 employs a closed-loop motion control system. This continuously monitors positioning for stable high-speed printing and improved accuracy. What if something goes wrong during printing? The Palette 300 has you covered. Its AI-powered failure detection system uses computer vision to identify common issues like warping or incomplete layers. If a problem arises, it can pause the job automatically. Calibration and setup are simple thanks to its automatic features. The printer handles bed leveling and Z-offset calibration without user intervention. This makes advanced printing accessible to everyone, even beginners. Atomform also offers a unique slicer software tailored for its printer. This ensures precise control and optimized toolpaths for multi-material printing. With a generous build volume, the Palette 300 is perfect for multiple applications. Create artistic models, functional prototypes, and even educational demonstrations. Who is this printer for? Designers, engineers, educators, and makers looking for true multi-material printing benefits from the Palette 300. In conclusion, the Atomform Palette 300 is not just another printer. It combines intelligent automation with creative freedom. Elevate your 3D printing projects with this powerful machine. Ready to take the next step in your 3D printing journey? Check out the Atomform Palette 300 today.